Canto por ti, tú no respondes, nada repete.
Damn it.
As the saying goes, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Oh, I fully intend to. You don't know it yet, Lennon, but you will be mine. Marriage is a battlefield, but I always win.
I'm done with Deirdre. Told her to pack her shit and go.
Fucking good, mate. Back to the land of the living, yeah?
I filed for divorce. I thought her head was going to spin around like The Exorcist when I told her.
Yeah, do you know what? I'm sorry to hear it, mate, but good riddance, yeah?
I plead temporary insanity when I married her. Old man's fancy. Anyway, enough about me. What about you? What about your love life then?
No. No one tickles my fancy.
I don't want excuses. Get it done. Go for Asher. Yeah, we can talk percentages. I'll have my assistant set a meeting. David. No, the markets are closed in April. All right, I'm on it.
Jesus, please forgive me.
I have to remember, I'm in a kid's body.
Watch closely. You could learn a thing or two.
Target just pulled up to a gun range. I got him in my sight. But there's a hostage.
Abort. Too risky. Abort.
Negative. If I don't take him out now, he's gonna kill that girl.
Carl, abort. No one in the world can make that shot.
Sorry, I can't. You're breaking up. Target down.
Destroy any evidence that we are here! Blow up the vehicle!
Carl, be careful. There's a bomb under the vehicle.
Kid! Get down!
Where am I?
Spencer? Oh, you're awake. I'm not. What happened to my voice?
Is that me?
It's been 2 days since Carl Oliver, the king of guns, the military's most decorated sniper, died while heroically saving the life of a young boy.
Died? I died? And somehow ended up in this kid's body?
Spencer, you were in an accident, and you would have died if it wasn't for a hero. His name was Carl Oliver. He died saving your life. You scared me. You know that you're all I have left. Uncle Spencer's awake.
Eleanor, where the hell are you? You need to get down to the range, you and that attention-seeking little brother here for your grandpa's birthday.
But he's...
No buts, young lady. Why is everything always so difficult with you?
We have to go.
The Westchester family is one of the most important names in all of marksmanship.
I mean, they're okay, but nothing too special.
Their gun ranges are the best in the state, and it all starts with the patriarch, Harold Westchester.
Too bad his legacy's dying with those orphans running the range.
I know they inherited the range, but really? They're worthless. They can't even shoot.
You don't listen to them, Spence. You hear me? I'm gonna go find Grandpa. Glad you're okay.
What is that?
They call it the impossible shot. It's been standing for the last 150 years, and yet no one has been able to make it. If you ask me, it's a little tacky. I really shouldn't. But...
150 yards with a 2-mile-an-hour northwestern wind. Considering the changing barometric pressure and the fact that it's a cold bore shot.
Child's play.
Spencer! Sweet Jesus and jackrabbits, do you know what you've done? Huh? Do you know what you've done? Huh? You have put gum on a priceless antique.
Really, Spencer? That's not a toy, young man.
Daddy, you still letting the orphans run this place?
Shut up.
You need to let my sons take over.
Dexter is the number 6 marksman in the state. Ma Bradley is number 1. They deserve the range.
Mom, stop. Eleanor inherited this range. It's hers.
You're too soft, Brad.
Yeah, you sound like a little bitch.
Shut up, Dexter. You can talk to him that way when you can actually beat him in a competition.
Holy hell! Look! Somebody made the impossible shot! Whoever that is, we need to find them, do you understand? We need to get them here, recruit them, get them shooting for us. Sissies don't know it, our competitors are coming for this here range.
Speaking of taking over the range, it's time for the Westchester Grandchildren's Competition.
Woo. I say this year we raise the stakes a little. Winners get the range.
What? No, that's not fair. This is our range.
Honey, don't be shrill. It makes you sound like a child.
Eleanor, listen. I gotta do what's best for this family.
And what's best is not you. Or your little brat of a brother.
Let's do it.
Spencer, what are you doing? You've never even picked up a gun before.
A contest in front of all of your guests. So there's no doubt who runs this range.
What?
Y'all, who's ready for a show? Woo!
Woo! Huh.
Every year, the First Family of Firearms engage in a friendly sharpshooting contest. But this year, ladies and gentlemen, this year is different because whoever wins takes ownership of this gun range. Woo-hoo!
Woo!
Welcome to the Westchester Family Battle.
What have you gotten us into? You know that we can't compete with them. Dexter's the 6th ranked sharpshooter, and Brad is number 1.
I could outshoot those mouth breathers with my eyes closed.
Look at the balls on little man.
Hey, you need to focus. I need you to embarrass those 2 brats.
So that won't be a problem. Hey, little man. Now, after I beat you and take your range, you're gonna be sent off to an orphanage.
Leave him alone. Listen to me. Even if we do lose this place, and I have to live on the streets, you know that I will always, always take care of you, right?
Eleanor is a good person. I'm not gonna let these assholes take anything from her.
Hey, Eleanor. You know, in France, it's not weird for cousins to hook up, right?
Ew.
Dex, don't be a creep.
All right, now listen up. This here contest consists of shotguns, pistols, and long-range rifles. Now. Oh, hell, Dex, you up first. Go on.
Come through. And watch closely. You'll see your little lives falling apart. Bang.
Woo-wee! That's my boy!
Hush up now. This won't be the toughest part. This is the 1,000-yard shot.
In just 4 shots, Dexter Westchester gets the bullseye.
My boy, yes!
That's the sound of me taking your range. You're up. You're up. Look at her. She's shaking. Look at her. She has no idea what she's doing.
Look at her shaking. Pathetic, really, ain't it?
I tried to warn her. You know how she is. I'd rather make a fool out of all of us instead of just admitting she's wrong.
Yeah.
Look at her. Looks like she's never touched a gun before.
Wait. I'll go first. Listen carefully.
Okay, up next will be Brad Westchester. He is the #1 sharpshooter in the state, and he's pretty easy on the eyes.
For the shotgun, always stay low and balanced. Keep grounded. Don't be afraid to lean on obstacles to minimize kickback. For pistols, focus on grip, follow through, and visualization.
Not bad.
Wow, he's as good as they say.
He's better.
For the first shot, fire on the exhale. Recalibrate.
Bullseye in 3. Holy Toledo, he is incredible.
Wow. Maybe there actually is some talent in this family. I can't just stand by and let her fail.
Let me go instead.
Thank you, Spence. But you haven't even held a gun before. I got this.
You got this.
Always stay low and balanced. Keep grounded. Don't be afraid to lean on obstacles to minimize kickback.
She's doing it.
I thought she's supposed to be bad.
Focus on grip, follow through, and visualization.
It's Brad's fault. He told her exactly what to do, because you coddle him.
She can't beat him in the long range. She'd have to get a bullseye in 2.
Good luck, Eleanor. Takes years of daily practice to make a shot like that.
You're gonna look like a fool.
This type of shot, it's too difficult.
Oh my gosh, she is cracking under pressure. Stick to the kitchen, young lady. Don't belong out here.
You people are disgusting.
Oh, yeah? What you gonna do about it?
This.
Look at that. Little Spencer Westchester's going out to give his sister some encouragement.
Oh my God. Look at that fool child.
He's making a mockery of the entire family.
What do you... I need you to shut up and listen to me. I'm going to help you win.
But...
Do you trust me? Point the rifle. Relax your elbow. Spread your knees another ½ inch. Angle your body 3 more degrees toward the target. Yep.
What's that little creep doing?
Spencer, this is for the adults. Shouldn't you go play with your dolls?
The cold action figures.
Ignore them. There's only you and me right now. We're doing great. Now, close your eyes.
What?
Just do it. I promise. It'll work. Okay. Good. Almost. Relax. Move the barrel 1/4 millimeter up and 1/8 millimeter to the left. Not too far. Back. And yeah.
Oh, man. This is embarrassing.
We're doing them a favor by taking away the range.
Yeah.
All right, young man, that's enough. Come off that range. It's dangerous if you don't know what you're doing.
No, he actually knows exactly what he's doing. The way he's making her stand, and that angle, he's actually as a spotter. Genius. How would he know to do that? He's just a kid.
Spence, I...
Fire. It's okay. Relax. Breathe in. And as you exhale, gently squeeze the trigger.
There's no way.
That's not possible.
Nah, no way.
It's bullshit. Really? You just got beat by a girl?
She cheated. Well, she cheated somehow. She had to.
Grandpa, I believe this means we maintain our range.
No way. Come on, Daddy. She was being coached by Brett, and she got a lucky shot.
Yeah, are you really gonna let our legacy be decided by one lucky shot?
You obviously cheated. Brad was holding your hand throughout it.
That's a good point. Eleanor, I can't base the future of my family off of one lucky shot. All right, now here's what we're gonna do. You and Dex gonna shoot again head to head. Whoever wins gets the range.
But that's not fair. I made that shot.
She can't compete against Dexter, yet he's still letting it happen.
Sis, let me do this.
You're a sweet brother. But you've never held a gun before. I can handle this.
Make sure she doesn't win. Whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes. Don't be scared, little girl.
She's actually hanging with him. Eleanor, it's not as bad as it looks.
Bang. All right, calm down. It was just a graze. Besides, you were in my line of sight.
She did not, you bastard!
Hey, watch your mouth, Brett! Hey, this is old. He's better than she is. She's careless.
Afraid so.
No, I still have a chance.
Oh, damn, girl. You need a bullseye in one shot. No way you have a chance.
Hon, just give it up. You are embarrassing yourself.
I can do it.
Don't worry. I got this. Big, tough guys picking on a girl. I'll tell you what, Gramps. I'm gonna take her place and beat that walking turd.
Would you just call me?
Come on, Daddy. This contest is over. One child's already been injured. We can't risk another.
Hey, hush up. Spencer, I do appreciate your break.
Good. Then you're going to love this. One shot. A clean bullseye. I make it, and you leave me and my sister to run the range.
Seriously, what a bunch of bullshit.
Oh, and if I win, Uncle Jeff has to give me a horsey ride.
You disrespectful little shit.
Scared?
No.
You! I ain't never seen you take a shot with nothing.
I've dabbled.
I dabbled.
Oh!
I have to remember I'm in a kid's body.
Watch closely. You could learn a thing or two.